Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you guys a solution to be able to solve the problem of expandable storage. Last year I did a review for the Dash Micro, and this is a micro USB SD card reader that can plug into your device, and that will give you the ability to expand the storage on your device by up to 128 gigabytes. Now, this is great by itself. At the end of the year, we started seeing more USB Type-C devices come out, such as the Nexus 6P, the 5X, the Pixel C tablet, and even the OnePlus 2 came out earlier in that year. And those are things that don't have micro USB. So what do you do without the ability of just doing too many things? Well, here comes Dash Micro one more time with the USB Type-C connecting micro USB card reader. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing and basically a quick review, since this is very simple for you guys. Let's check it out. So we have the two devices here. This is the Dash Micro from last year. This is the micro USB connector. It connects to your normal device via micro USB, and you're able to put in a memory card in here up to 128 gigs, and you can connect to it, and it works very much as like just plugging in a USB thumb drive without having to worry about additional wires, your OTG cable, all of that stuff handled in this. And it comes with a nice little carrying thing. You can put it on your keychain. You never lose it. I use it and it works very well. So when I did upgrade to the Nexus 6P, I was extremely happy to see that they did have and put up basically a crowdfunding campaign to allow us to be able to purchase the Type-C version of this. So let's go ahead and open it up real quick. It's very simple as far as the interface, and you can see here on the box, it says it's compatible with Android, with Linux, with Windows, and with Mac as far as interface. As long as your system has a Type-C connector, you'll be able to use it. So the unit itself comes with a nice protective case with a little loop on the top, and that's what you put in on your keychain. Very nice, very portable. We're going to take it out just for the sake of referencing here. And this is the unit from this year's model. This is last year's model. The easy way I can explain it is it's a little bit longer from the length. So I'll put them next to each other here. Oops, I'm trying to make it really, let's put them this way. You'll notice real quick here on the length, it's a little bit longer on the new unit, but on the other side, it's a little bit thinner when it comes to the actual profile. You'll see here that the old one is a little bit wider and the new one is much nicer. I'm going to go ahead and take the actual memory card out of this so we can show you guys how it works. If you flip it over, it shows us the actual imprint of the memory card itself, and you can put it in, and it fits directly inside, and it actually is spring-loaded. So you hear that little click, and now you're pretty much set. You can use this to plug into your device and use it to be able to transfer data from your mobile device to your PC if your PC supports micro, USB Type-C connectors. So let's go ahead and switch over to my Nexus 6P and plug this in and see if this works. I have my Nexus 6P, it's powered on. I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in at the bottom. Now, normally in the past when I used to use any kind of connector that I use for mounting USB type drives on my system, I use stick mount. Now, this is an application that's made by Chainfire. I want to say thank you very much, but I'm actually going to deny it this time. I'm going to say basically the functionality within Marshmallow. So I'm going to go ahead my File Explorer, and we're going to go in here, and then we can see here USB Type 1 device. We're going to click it, and we're going to go into the native file manager that allows us to be able to see it. It sees it right there. As far as the actual unit itself, we'll go to USB drive, and we're able to basically get into it. This is my zip file that I created from the last build-up that I'm actually flashing on one of my devices. I have pictures from my Note 5, Android, and I can access all of these things, go in, and this is using the built-in functionality within Android Marshmallow. So that's really, really nice, really, really functional, and very, very easy. You just basically go ahead and go home, and then you basically need to unmount it. You go on the top and just say eject, and it mounts the actual unit itself. Device has been ejected, and you can see here that I'm not using stick mount. It's not the application that Chainfire has developed. Even though I can use it to be able to have a much better experience, it works natively within Android and specifically within Marshmallow. So as you guys saw with the hands-on, it's really simple. It's this little tiny thing that you can basically carry within this little case. It's very functional. You can put this on your keychain. I actually currently have this one on my keychain, the original one. And whenever you need it, you just pop it into your USB Type-C device, copy your files, transfer files. I can connect it to my PC because it really does have the functionality of working with anything that connects to USB Type-C, PC or Mac. And it will work for you, and it will do exactly what you need to do. I think it's very functional, inexpensive from the sense of what it can do for you. Expandable storage is no longer an issue. Now, the only thing I really, really would hope from this is to be able to do unified storage using this, but of course it's connected via USB. You don't want to do something that is expandable and you can actually disconnect, as it will damage your system. If it was a built-in SD card, definitely something you want to do. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Have you used this? Do you think this would be something that you guys could use? I personally think this is a must-have, regardless of the fact that I have a mass amount of storage on my device. Transferring files from my mobile device to my PC without having to worry about it. Where's my cable? Where's my whatever? I can just do it right there very quickly. It's very, very helpful. Like and subscribe as usual. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.